Hi my dear students, I hope everyone is fine at home. This is Vanita Mary from Bharati Dasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn from class 6 English grammar an interesting topic about quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Have you heard about these words earlier? I hope so you have heard about it. So let us learn in detail what these adjectives tell us about. Before we go into the topic, let us learn what is an adjective. Let us look at these phrases. A beautiful girl, a tall tree, a colorful bird. Can any one of you tell me which are the words which are describing about the noun here? Yes, very good. A beautiful girl. Here, the word beautiful is the word which is talking about the girl, which is a noun. A tall tree. Tall is the word which is describing about a tree, which is a noun. A colorful bird. Colorful is the word which is describing about the word bird here. So, beautiful, tall, colorful, these are adjectives. They describe about noun. They modify the noun. Let us learn the meaning of adjectives. An adjective is a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names. It is also used to tell the number, quantity or quality of the noun. In simple words, we can say an adjective modifies the noun. Let us look at the following sentences. Jack is a naughty boy. What kind of a boy? Naughty boy. I don't like that man. Which man? That man. Mom gave me 5 oranges. How many oranges? 5. There is little time for preparation. How much time? Little. Here, the underlined words are adjectives. They are describing about the noun. They are modifying the noun. There are many kinds of adjectives. Today in our class, we are going to learn about 3 kinds of adjectives. As we have already said in the introduction, the first kind of adjective is quantitative adjectives. What is the meaning of quantitative adjectives? The quantitative adjectives tell us how much of a thing is meant. Let us look at the examples given here. We have had enough exercise. You did not eat any rice. He lost all his wealth. The whole money was spent. There has not been sufficient rain this year. In the following sentences, the underlined words enough, any, all, whole and sufficient, they tell us the quantitative adjectives. They are telling about the quantity of the noun here. The second kind of adjectives is emphasizing adjectives. The emphasizing adjectives are own and very. They are used to emphasize a possessive adjective or a noun. First one, own is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. Let us look at the examples. I am my own master. He saw it with his own eyes. You will be beaten at your own game. Here, the emphasizing adjective is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. My is a possessive adjective here. His is a possessive adjective here. In the third sentence, your is a possessive adjective. So, own here is used to emphasize a possessive adjective. Moving on to the next one, very is used to emphasize a noun. We know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. Let us look at the sentences given here. This is the very thing we want. There it stands to this very day. This is the very woman who quarrels with me. Here, very is used to emphasize a noun. Thing is a noun. Day is a noun. Woman is a noun. So, very is used here to emphasize the noun mentioned in the following sentences. The third kind of adjective is numeral adjectives. So, with the word numeral, we can understand the meaning of numeral adjectives. So, let us see what these adjectives tell us about. It shows us how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. In the following sentences, let us see what these numeral adjectives tell us. The first one is all men must die. Few cats like cold water. Most boys like cricket. The hand has 5 fingers. Here, all, few, most, 5, they are telling us the numbers. They are talking about the persons, how many things, or how many birds or animals meant here. In the numeral adjectives, they are of 3 kinds. The first one is definite numeral adjectives. What is this definite numeral adjectives? They denote an exact number. They tell us the exact number. In the definite numeral adjectives, we have 2 kinds. The first one is cardinals. The second one is ordinals. So, what is the meaning of cardinals? A cardinal denotes how many, and an ordinal denotes the order of things in a series. Let us look at the examples. The examples for cardinals are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We can go on. The ordinals are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. So, the definite numeral adjectives, they give us an exact number. The second kind of numeral adjective is indefinite numeral adjective. With the word indefinite, we can understand what these adjectives tell us about. It does not denote an exact number. They only provide us the information about the amount of noun. Let us look at the examples. All men are equal. Many people are poor. Several girls came there. These eggs will be enough. Here, all, many, several, enough, they are indefinite numeral adjectives. They do not give us an exact number. They are only providing the information about the amount of noun here. The third kind of numeral adjective is distributive numeral adjectives. The meaning of distributive numeral adjectives is they refer to each one as a number. For example, either pen will do. Every man wishes to be happy. Here, either is a distributive numeral adjective. They refer to each one as a number. In the second sentence, every is a distributive numeral adjective. They are also giving us the exact number, each one as a number. The third sentence, on either side of the park is a narrow lane. Here, either is a distributive numeral adjective. They refer to each person as a number. It can be person, it can be place, or it can be thing or animal. Moving on to the next, we have learned about the quantitative, emphasizing, and numeral adjectives. But there are similar words we find in the quantitative adjectives and also numeral adjectives. So let us see what these differences are. The important points to remember here is the same adjectives Some, all, no, enough are may be classed as adjectives of quantity or adjectives of number according to their use. These words can be used as adjectives of number and also adjectives of quantity, but we need to see what their uses are. Okay, let us look at the adjectives of quantity. I ate some rice. You have no sense. I have enough sugar. He lost all his wealth. Here we can see the adjectives of quantity is mentioned. Some, no, enough, all, they are used to quantify the noun. In the second one, adjectives of number. Some boys are clever. There are no pictures in this book. We have not enough spoons. All men must die. Here, these words some, no, enough and all are used to denote the adjectives of number. They give us the clear picture of the numeral adjectives. So, in this class, we have learnt about the meaning of adjectives. An adjective is a word which denotes or modifies the noun. Then we learnt about the adjectives. There are three kinds: quantitative, emphasizing, and numeral adjectives. Quantitative adjectives denote how many persons. Emphasizing adjectives, they talk about own and very. They emphasize about the noun and the possessive adjective. The third one is numeral adjectives. In the numeral adjectives, we have three kinds: definite, indefinite and distributive adjectives. I hope you have understood the topic about quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Thank you all.